and they go bum, 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 full speed ahead.
Right, dry reverse. We've got the reverse switch connected up now, so it should go backwards as well as forwards. Again, this is just on the 5 cell. I've got 2 5 cells today, so we might do a bit of a speed run. Okay, so what have we done since the last video? We've added a few more electrics. Bit of a mess at the moment. This is a bit of a test. So we've got the 2 800 mAh 5 cell batteries. We've got a fuse box in the centre. The next battery is just for the bald power source to run the speed control. And then I've added the water cooling tube at the back, which has got a pump. And the white box is a like a consumer unit, if you like, which gives us voltage and amps and kilowatt hours and the temperature, just to give us some idea of how many amps we're using on acceleration. So this is just showing 21 volts, so that's the 5 cell battery. So yeah, the temperature's not really enough to switch the water cooling on for the ESC, but we will do that if it needs it. And Maddie's chief test driver today. We've got the forward and reverse working, as you saw earlier. Give us a demonstration, Maddie. Where's first gear?
Here.
No.
Ow.
Ow. There's not enough room between your leg and the steering wheel there. Right. Give it a test run, Maddie. Full speed ahead.